We're live, we're active. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, this is madness.
Scorching day in London City. It's always lovely when it's hot, man. This city is one of the best cities in the world.
100%.
No, left. Fucking hell.
What's wrong with that way, man?
That's a bus lane. You want an £8 fine, fella?
I'm used to it anyway, don't know.
Baller. So today, the weather's live.
It's amazing.
It's crazy what the weather can do to you, because as soon as the sun's out, the excitement levels goes through the fucking
100%.
through the
It makes you want to through the roof.
Literally. We're gonna go onto Tower Bridge right now.
We're gonna get some
shots. Beautiful.
We're gonna go tourist mode. You know, like in Vegas where you get that person that stands through the sunroof. That's what we're gonna do.
Listen, let me get ready then. We tried to get a couple of big boy cars today. It didn't work. Mandem, if you got any cars that you want me to rag around and you want us to have fun in,
Get in touch.
and you want to showcase it, we will do sick montages. We'll make it look hard. Any sponsors, you know what I'm saying? You send me the those masks that's so greasy. Hard. We might have to do that.
Yeah, 100%.
Huh?
I'm gonna wear a bucket hat as well on top.
But I want the ones, do the ones with it dangling down on you.
Oh yeah.
You know,
yeah,
it's got
yeah,
like strings on it. And
oh,
that.
what, the Australian one?
Yeah.
Knock off bare flies at the same time.
Come on, you gotta wear a vest. You gotta wear a vest. You gotta wear a vest with that. What?
Yeah.
How you getting that?
Let's go.
Hey, oh God. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Yes. Woo! It's very sensitive, like.
Yeah.
Do you know? Look, you feel that?
Yeah. Especially on the first gear, like you gotta touch it so softly.
Yeah. This is what, it changes into third, look.
Bit manual.
You see what I'm saying? Can you imagine that in a tunnel?
Oh, I see. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah. You get it to crackle whenever you want.
Yeah.
And tap.
Sounds fantastic. You know, because there's bare like buildings and like trees around.
Yeah, the echoes.
That echo is so good, bro. Turbo kicks in. That 4,000 RPM turbo kicks in. Boom. Pulls you.
So far today, what's the driving experience been like compared to last time?
It's so mad. You know what it is? Today we've been pushing the car to its limits,
Proper,
like
yeah.
mad limits. It's so exciting when you can do that to a car and it can take it, like.
Yeah, 100%.
And it gives you more confidence, like, to try some things, you know what I mean?
It's gonna go straight, there's gonna be a harsh turn at the very end. But I'm like the rally driver communicator, you know them ones?
Yeah, that's exactly how it should be.
Yeah, you know them.
Oh
my days!
Oh my God!
That's nuts.
The car's hearing it. Yes, Cuzzy! Love it.
Loves it.
Soft braking, soft braking. Lovely. Very fantastic brake. Brakes are so important. Drift it! Wait. We take it in, Zach. In. And then
On the pedal, on the pedal.
Wow. We've got another one coming up. Fantastic. In. Obviously, a bit more careful this time. On the pedal. Wow.
Nice. Wow. So crazy.
Bro.
So we have to get, wait, don't overtake it.
No, of course. Look at that. Beautiful.
Oh, mate, behave.
Oh, you get some montages in. Man goes behave. What is that? Someone has been trying for. Turbos, and we're off. Come on. Wow.
Dear life. That's a whole lot to that.
That was a bit. Brother, as the passenger rally coordinator, you've got to tell me about these roads, my brother.
I was occupied, didn't
That was good. Oh, see.
Oh, beautiful. Look at it.
I know, isn't it? Oh, brother. Wow, really? No way that's a road like that.
Well,
No way that's a road like that.
Yeah, we got
Wait.
these ends.
Wait, watch it. This is 50! Oh my days, Zach, this is an amazing road.
Look at it. Beautiful.
Oh, this is mad.
It's a beautiful road, man.
Wow.
Hello, darling.
Right on. And we're off! Such a cool experience though. No way, bro.
These areas are nuts. Shelling. Oh my lord.
I'm sorry, I'm getting off. Whoa.
Beautiful day, beautiful.
These are looking, they can hear us.
Yeah. You're getting shook in it.
Oh, it's so fucking right.
I know, bro. I can see.
You was just like,
Bro, I can see it, man.
Man got shook. It's that way.
Oh.
Yeah, that's nice. That looks bad, doesn't
It
it?
did. These roads are nuts. I'm in the zone.
Jason's driving, getting all litty committee. Getting there,
Come on.
Clot!
Sliding, sliding. You see? Yeah, man, we're gonna have to. We're not. I don't think we're gonna make it. I'll be real.
No, he is. Don't get his shit.
Nah, bro, we got 3 bars.
Don't be...
Bruv, I'm telling you, bruv. Look,
No,
look,
man, don't worry. We're gonna get there.
bruv, comments innit. Tell me if I'm chatting shit. Will this make us home or
Hey,
not?
you man, tell me if these guys are shook you, bro. I could get to Birmingham with this much petrol.